Let's talk about the top 3 ways to better manage your money. First, you should know what you spend. How can you get a handle on your money if you aren't even sure what you're spending? You should track your spending for at least a few months to get a handle on how much money is going out. Sometimes it can be a shocker to realize what you're spending. That $50 you thought you were spending on fast food per month is actually $200 when you finally take a look at your spending. This can be a huge wake-up call. There are several ways you can track your spending. Apps such as Mint are easy to use. You can also try YNAB or create your own Excel sheet. If you spend via credit or debit cards, you can even download the transactions and review from your bank account. Knowing what you spend takes us to number 2. Create a budget. Yeah, you've heard this all before, budget. The dreaded B word. You've seen them all. Envelope method, the no budget budget, the 50-30-20 budget, and countless others. Doesn't matter which one you use. You can try a few methods and see which ones work for you. Since you now know what you spend, creating a budget will be easy as pie. Make a list of several categories that you spend money on every month. If you have categories that you only use quarterly or maybe yearly, I'm looking at you, Christmas gifts, then include these also. You may be able to budget for these expenses now and won't be shocked when they come up later. If you are new to this, you may want to create monthly budgets until you get into the flow of things. Once you have things under control, you may be able to budget on a quarterly or even yearly basis. Now that you know what you spend and have created a budget, you are ready to start paying yourself first. There should be no excuses here. You should have savings as a category in your budget. Paying yourself first is extremely cliche, but boy, it's some of the best advice out there. Even if you only have a few bucks to save, do it. That may save you in the long run when you have an unexpected expense and put you on the right track to get you saving for retirement or any other financial goal you may have. So those are the top 3 ways to better manage your money. Please like and subscribe below. Can you check all 3 of these off your list?